Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review about the PerySmith air fryer. There's nothing much on the box, so let us open the box right now. So, try to open this. There you go. It says that it uses eco-health technology that removes fats from the ingredients but still retains the natural oil of the food, keeping food crispy like conventional fried food but with 80% less oil, which means that you can eat fried chicken but in a healthy way. It has a 1-year limited warranty, a 1500 watt, which is a turbo version, 4.8 liters, and is said to be oil free. I really wish to open the package, but first I want to talk about the features. Like I said just now, it has the eco-health technology which can fry food with 80% less oil. It has a 3D airflow heating system which is fast and energy saving. Adjustable thermostat temperature which goes from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. It has a food grade coating removable food basket, 30 minutes timer with automatic shut off, and a multi-layer cool to touch body so it wouldn't be hot when you touch the air fryer. It also has a smart overheat protection. Like I said just now, it has a power of 1500 watts and a voltage of 240, which means you can save in your electric bills. It also has 5 kg and it has a capacity of 4.8 liters. As for the basket capacity, it is 3.8 liters. The size is 326 times with 326 times with 380. This air fryer comes in red, and if you guys want to buy this air fryer or the other products that PerySmith makes, you can go to this website, which is www.perysmith.com. It has a USA trademark at the bottom because PerySmith is a US brand, and it also has the international CB certification. So let us open the box right now. So now I'm going to open the box. This is how it looks like in the inside. Wow, this sure is big. And really slippery. Oh, looks like you can remove the plastic from here. Yes. There you go. It should be easier. And we have the manual for the air fryer here, and I think that's about it. Other than this polystyrene, yeah, that's it. So as you can see, it is in very bright red, and it also has the silver color on the top, which is kind of a really nice color. And you can see that it is completely red except for the top part. Now I'm going to show you the manual. It comes in a Ziploc bag. This is how it looks like. It's a very thin paper. How it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to do a review about this. As you can see, it has the numbers to indicate how much minutes, and also the temperature over here. I presume this is the indicator to say if it's done and it's on. So that's it for the top part. There's nothing much going down up. So this is where the logo, the brand is, which is PerySmith. And down over here you can see the indication of what are the items that you can use and how much minutes and temperature you need to put it. So you can see there's a steak, pork chop, burger, fried chicken, chips and wedges. Now we're going to open the compartment. So all you have to do is just pull it open. Let me put this at the back. So this is how it looks like in the inside. Then to remove the inner bucket, you just have to open this, press this button and then lift it up like this. First let me show you the down one. You can see nothing inside. It's a very shiny look at the bottom, and then you can see there's a logo inside. Not sure if you guys can see it. So now we're gonna show you the second part. It has a safety feature so that you don't accidentally press this button, which is this plastic one. So they cover it up with a cardboard, which you can remove just like this. And then there's this plastic one where you just have to remove it like that. You can see there's a lot of holes, and at the side there's lines where there's the ventilation is. So now I'm gonna place it inside. You need to make sure that it's perfectly locked, or not it will just be loose. It is big enough to put a whole chicken inside. You can see the space inside. So now I'm gonna lift it in and put it inside. And that's it for the PerySmith. Now we're gonna go and cook using this PerySmith air cooker. And my mother has already marinated the chicken, so now it's time to cook. Let's go. So this is the marinated chicken I was talking about earlier. Alright, so this is the marinated chicken I was talking about. Look at how beautiful it is. When placing inside the air fryer, I do want to say that you should place it a bit wider apart. So I'm gonna this thing. Alright, so now I'm going to put it inside. So now I'm going to follow the Celsius, and there's also the 15 minutes to 22 minutes. I'm going to follow the 22 minutes because my chickens are very big. So now I'm going to place it to 180. Roughly there, and for the timing I'm going to put it for 22 minutes. There you go. I'm sure you guys can listen to the sound once I turn it on, and you can also see that there's the orange light and the green light on. I can feel the air coming up from the sides of this hole. Alright, so there's only 1 more minute left. Oh, looks like it already finished earlier than I expected. So let us see how it turns out. Alright, now it's already cooked. Now I'm gonna open and let's see the results. Okay. Wow, look at the chicken. It's so juicy looking. and also very delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna see if the chicken is already cooked, and then we will see if it's nice or not. First we're gonna try this chicken. Oh wow, look at it inside. It's so juicy looking, and it's also fully cooked. You can see that there's the fully cooked. Now we're gonna eat it. Alright, now I'm gonna try it. Alright, here we goes. It tastes very delicious. It cooks very evenly. Now I'm gonna see if the drumstick has been cooked. Oh, look, the drumstick has also been cooked. Now I'm gonna try and see if the chicken is nice or not. Alright, so you guys have already seen the chicken that has been fully cooked, and also we have tried the chicken and it's very good. So I give it a 10 star. I really recommend you guys buying this air fryer, and it is, so far to me, it's a really good air fryer. I hope you guys subscribe down below, and also don't forget to comment and press the notification bell, and also don't forget to give a like. I see you in the next video. Bye.